And this is what we're breaking to you right now. Sources are telling Times Now that the Ministry of Home Affairs has sent a notice to the Aam Aadmi Party just about a week back. This is a questionnaire format on all counts of which the Aam Aadmi Party will have to reply to the ministry under the provisions of the FCRA. In fact, they're expecting a reply within a reasonable period of time. Let's get in more details from Nikunj on this. Nikunj, as far as the Foreign Contributions Regulations Act is concerned, this is something that is now being looked at very closely with regard to the Aam Aadmi Party.
Yes, I also asked the concerned officials in the ministry that whether they are looking at any other political party apropos the violations of the Foreign Contributions Regulation Act. But then they did tell me that this particular notice to the Aam Aadmi Party is emanating from a Delhi High Court order in which the Delhi High Court is listening to a plaint filed by an activist about foreign contributions being received by the Aam Aadmi Party. So as of now, they are the only party under the scanner, and that adds a little, I would say, additional seriousness to the dimension of them receiving contributions in violations to the Foreign Contribution Regulatory Act. Though one will have to add a caveat here that, unless the Foreign Contribution Regulatory Act wing of the Ministry of Home Affairs analyzes their answer, scrutinizes their record, and comes to a conclusion that there has actually been a violation, we can't say that the Aam Aadmi Party has been in the wrong at all. So all this, as of now, is only in the realm of a probe that has been ordered following the directions of the Delhi High Court, which is listening to a plaint. So the fact of the matter is that Aam Aadmi Party has got the notice. It's a questionnaire format, as you were mentioning. They will have to reply on all the counts, and then the FCRA wing will have to analyze their answer to reach and come to any conclusion.
Nikunj, stay on with us. Let's share with our viewers the reaction that's come in from the Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde, who has earlier in the morning confirmed a probe into the alleged foreign funding to the Aam Aadmi Party.
सर, शिंदे साहब, यूपी की कुछ पार्टियां और आम आदमी पार्टी को ऐसी खबरें आ रही है कि एब्रोड से, बाहर से पॉलिटिकल फंडिंग हो रही है। शीला दीक्षित जी ने भी आरोप लगाया है आम आदमी पार्टी पर। क्या आप होम मिनिस्ट्री इसकी जांच कराएगी?
हमारे पास भी कंप्लेंट्स आ गई है, उसकी जांच हम करा रहे हैं।
इस पर फंडिंग ले सकते हैं आप चुनाव के लिए, तो क्या आपके पास शिकायत आई है और कब तक इसकी जांच पूरी होगी, क्योंकि चुनाव होने वाले हैं?
देखिए, हम ये जांच करने में थोड़ा सा देर लगता है, क्विक नहीं होता है। ये कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, सोर्स क्या है, किस कंट्री से आ रहा है, वो सब पूरा हमने मालूमात के लिए मिनिस्ट्री को भेज दिया है।
प्रॉब्लम, बट इज द आम आदमी रिसीविंग फॉरेन फंडिंग और नॉट? Under law of the country, an NGO or other charitable body can receive foreign funding. A political party cannot. I know from the BJP it is not a case. Therefore, if there are allegations, it must be properly investigated.